Well, hello everybody, and welcome to week 2 of e-instruction and e-learning. Wanted to go over some of the concepts here in chapter 11 when we were dealing with perimeter and make sure that we all understand them. First thing I want to do is explore this concept of perimeter. What does a perimeter mean? Well, the perimeter would be the measurement around an object, while the area is the measurement inside of an object. And we'll be dealing with that later, either at the end of this week or starting next week. So the word perimeter gets its Greek and Latin roots from the word peri, which means around. So if you think of like a periscope, is something that you can see with using a submarine. You can look around all directions, and then meter being the distance. So the perimeter is the around difference, the around distance that is of an object. So if we were to go ahead and give measurements for this, we would have 5 inches right here, and then 3 inches here, 5 inches here, and 3 inches here. About the best way I can think about this is let's put an ant. Let's put an ant on here, and he is going to do some traveling. All right, and so this ant is first going to be walking 5 inches from here to here. All right, so let's keep that 5 inches in the back of our mind there. And then that ant is going to probably make a turn and go 3 inches down this way. And then that ant is going to probably want to turn around. So let's go ahead and get that ant turned around here. All right, now he's facing the right way. And it's going to walk 5 more inches this way, and then go ahead and head up, flipping around this way, and go ahead and walk back up to where you started. Okay, and so now this ant has traveled all the way around. All right, 5 inches plus 3 inches, that would be 8, plus 5 inches, plus 3 inches, that's another 8. All right, so 8 and 8 is 16. But let's take a look at this a different way here. So here is our ant once again. And instead of going around the object, we're actually going to break the object apart. And I think to do this, I'm going to need to kind of back up a little bit here so we can keep everything to scale. So I'm going to take the 5 inches that we had right here. Okay, so here's our 5 inches, the distance right there. And that ant is going to start right there and walk that 5 inches. And then we'll go ahead and let's get this thing turned around. Format the object here, and we can rotate it 90 degrees. So now we are right here, and we'll go ahead and take our 3 inches right there, and then grab this 5 inches right here, and then we have our last 3 inches right here. Go ahead and get this rotated around, just like so. And we have the 3 inches right here. So what we've done is we've taken the outside part of this rectangle and went ahead and made it so that it's just one long line. So now our ant is going to walk the 5 inches from here to here, and then 3 inches, and then another 5 inches, and then finally the 3 inches right there. So what we have then is a simple addition problem. All right, we have 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. All right, and that ends up giving us 16 inches. All right, so the perimeter of this rectangle right here, all the way around, the perimeter would be, let's go ahead and bring this up here. The perimeter is equal to 16 inches.